Hello everyone. I'm posting this video to announce that I've decided to stop working on MemoRift R1 and start working on MemoRift R2, which will have more consoles and exciting new features. And while I continue working, I've decided to release MemoRift R1 together with a demo room for you guys to play around with. So this demo should appear on the download page of the site right about now. But while you download, stick around to see what's inside. I encourage you to familiarize yourself with the complimentary instruction literature made available in each MemoRift R1 demo room. Obviously, I couldn't include games and ROMs with the demo, but I've been in contact with some very nice homebrew NES developers and got their permission to include their games as virtual NES cartridges in the demo room. Once you learn a bit more about how MemoRift works, you can even set up a new NES console that's hooked up to the TV and actually runs Sega Genesis games. Naughty naughty! On this side of the room, we've got a PC which is already loaded with a freeware Norton Commander-like file manager called the DOS controller. And, next to it, a few favorite freeware and shareware games. I've also tweaked the way items are held and move about the room a little. So, as you can see, I can easily flip through floppy disks, grab and lift the disk out of the box. Then, after 2 seconds, the control scheme changes to let me move the item in a different way, which makes it easier to guide the disk into the drive. Essentially, I'm able to move the item in 3 axes using just one action, so I no longer need an extra move mode. When inserting and removing disks, make sure you are either in the blue screen of DOS controller or in a normal DOS command prompt. The reason for that is that MemoRift Bridge needs to inject a command to DOSBox. Why not relax with a nice public domain comic magazine? Or add your own? You can hold the magazine right up to your face and use keyboard keys to turn pages, move and rotate the item. Or, if you choose, just set it down here and flip through the pages by holding the F key and swiping across the magazine. Now, as for arcades, I wasn't able to find a demo I could legally distribute with MemoRift, so I have the arcade showing a video from an old game I've made. But once you have MAME set up correctly, you can simply change the Genya folder to a name of a ROM, such as Golden Axe shown here, and you are all set up to play. The more adventurous among you might have a try at creating a new arcade cabinet with a different game. It's actually quite easy. Now, after all the fun shown here, it's time to mention that none of this will probably work unless you edit your config.ini file and point MemoRift to your emulators. If your computer is up to it, you can have several devices up and running at the same time. So thanks for watching. Now please get out of my room and download your own. Sheesh.